Designing a presentation of your research project is as hard as compiling your research finding in the form of a research document. Because at presentation designing stage, you have to use your creativity and have to convey your information in the form of a very interactive story. So in this era of AI, you don't have to put any manual effort to create an interactive and professional presentation. And today's tool is going to help you to supervise this process. I'm talking about Prezi.com. This tool is helping you to design open canvas presentations that make your presentation more professional and engaging with its interactive formats. So if you want to give it a try, you can access this tool from the link in description. And let's see that how this tool is going to generate interactive presentation of your research thesis, research paper, or just by providing a single line prompt.
To access the Prezi, link is available in description. When you click at the link, you will see this kind of interface, and before moving forward, you have to log in this tool with the help of your Google account. Prezi offers you 3 features. You can generate presentation with this tool, you can create interactive infographics, and can create video about any topic which you want to present in the form of a video. In this video, we are specifically focusing on that how you can use this tool to create a very interactive and professional presentation for your any kind of a presentation. Again, when you start creating presentation, you can use its create with AI feature, which helps you to create presentation just by providing the name or title of the topic about which you want to create the presentation. So we will click on create new, and to proceed further, first you have to select the template. Here you can see that there are multiple type of templates depending upon the type of presentation you are creating. You can use project roadmap, personal story. If you want to use a circle style, you can use this kind of interface. If you are, for example, presenting any kind of a book, you can use this. This is a poster style template. This template is for food category presentations and many more. And if you don't like any template, you can customize your own template by using its blank template. So for example, we are going to use this specific template. We have to click on the template. Its AI integrated feature will help us to generate the content of our presentation by just providing the title or some basic keywords of our topic. So here you have to provide the title of the presentation. Application of organic solvents in chemical processes is my title. After pressing the continue, I can even upload my PDF file, or even I can give the description of topic here which I want to proceed further. So if I don't have any information and I want to use its AI feature to generate the content about my topic, I can skip this step. And now Prezi AI feature is generating the content for my presentation first, and then it will fix this text into the template. Now, as you have seen, I can even upload my research paper, review paper, my thesis, or any kind of a document which I want to convert into presentation by using its PDF upload feature. So when Prezi will done with the writing the content of my presentation, it will allow me to select the color palette and the designs which I want to keep in. So this is the design and this is the color palette. I even can change the color palette according to my requirement. So I will go to the editor. Now here I have in detail options where I can change the designs and can change the images and can change the text and alignment of the slides in this presentation. So this is the main overview, and this is the introduction to the organic solvents. This is the definition of the organic solvents. This is the classification of organic solvents and properties of organic solvents. Now at this point I can change the style of text. I can definitely change the size of text, color, and can do any kind of a customization regarding animations, and even I can change the text which have been written here and make it shorter, longer, can simplify, or can even draw the visual list flowcharts, animated story, and much more. As you can see, this is the visual list which I have generated, and I can even change it by just dragging and dropping it at the right position. For example, if I want to drag this and I want to change the alignment, I can do at this stage. Even I can change the positioning or the numbering of the slides just by dragging and dropping on the frame section, and I can change the position and alignment there also. You can even change the story block, you can change the timeline, you can change the processes, you can insert all these templates according to your requirements, and in its shape section again you can select the shapes of your choice, you can select the images from its media sections and videos, or GIF, stickers, icons, audio charts, and upload even PDF and PPT files to insert in this specific presentation. So when I have done with the designing of the presentation, I have to click it on present, or I can even download it in the form of a PDF. I can share its broadcast link or can get its live link also. So for example, I want to export it in the form of a PDF, and in its present feature I can present this presentation live. I can see its present view, and even I can record the video of this presentation just by clicking on record button. I can explain this presentation and can record my audio along with screen recording. You can share the live link of this presentation again. So this is the end result of presentation. This is the main view, and then just by clicking we can see a beautiful animated interface of the presentation that will make our topic more clear, more interactive, and better to understand. Now let's have a quick look on its infographic designing feature, which allows you to design interactive infographics about all the research processes, methodologies, or any kind of visual representations of your research finding in the form of interactive infographic style. So you can select the template from the template gallery, or you can design customize infographics. So if you want to present the data, you can use these kind of graphs, infographics. If you want to elaborate the processes, there are different kind of hundreds of templates available to design the infographics according to the data you want to present it. By clicking on use this template, you will be able to customize this template and make the changes of your requirement. You can enter your text here, or you can change the background colors, text style, anything which you want to change in this specific infographic. You can also download its app to make it more accessible at your mobile phone. To give it a free try, don't forget to access Prezi.com from the link which is available in description.
So Prezi.ai is going to make your boring research findings into a very interactive, engaging visuals, which will definitely help you to increase the impact of your research finding and to make other people understand more better. If you want to explore this tool in free, you can access the link from the description, and for its premium use, you can unlock its feature by using the same link. And if you found this tool and this video useful, don't forget to share it with your friends and colleagues. I will see you in another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.